Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today is a very special day. We are going to give away an entire monthly subscription box filled with Disney stuff. This is the Ultimate Magic Box from Bibbidi Bobbidi, and it's $119 plus shipping. We're going to give it all to you and not keep any of it for us. So, let's take a look. Alright. So, somebody's going to get this. All right. It's coming up right now. All right, so let's see what you guys, one of you gets to have. All right, so this is their December box. So first thing you get is a Christmas card from Bibbidi. This is the packing sheet that tells you everything that's in here and what it's worth, all that happy stuff. All of this is yours. I might keep the rest. Nah, I guess I won't. I'll give it to you. Alright, so first thing we've got a Slinky pen. Check that out. Alright, coming up next. Now we always subscribe to like the luxury version, so we like to get fewer items that are worth more. We just like more quality stuff, so this is not going to have a ton of stuff in it. Especially since we started with a pen and a button, you can be pretty sure that whatever else is in here is pretty spendy. But this is really cute. I'm trash. It's going to be hard to give that one away because it pretty much has my name on it. Alright. Oh. Someone is going to love this. Check it out. Alex and Ani. Got the Pixar ball. Very cool. So that alone is 45 bucks right there. Check it out. Alright. And I think we've got one more thing in here. It is Woody on Bullseye. That was on the nose a little. And this is a Danielle Nicole purse. Check it out. Got gold chains, little bling bling. Let's make sure there's nothing inside of here, because sometimes Bibbidi likes to hide stuff. Not today. Check it out. You can see the tag. Very nice. So, I'm going to have to hide this all from Mary. And we're going to ship this off to somebody. So, here is how this is going to work. This is for the US only, the lower 48, because I don't want to spend $1 bazillion shipping this off. So you've got to do a few things in order to be eligible to win this. You need to be subscribed to our channel. You need to like this particular video. And then I would like you to comment down below. Any random comment really doesn't make a difference to me. Just throw a comment down there. Then if you look in the description below, you will see a link to a Google form. I need you to go onto that Google form and fill out simply your YouTube username and your email address, and that is what I'm going to pick from. So whoever fills out those forms, I'm going to give each of those a number, put them in a hat, draw a number, whichever one corresponds to which email, or to which form, that's who's going to get it. So, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt. Totally understand if you don't want to do it, but I couldn't think of an easier way to do it and make sure that I'm actually sending it to the person that won. So, that's it. Subscribe, like, comment, fill out the form. Right there. Down here. Like scroll. If you scroll up. There it is. You know? Perfect. All right. So someone is going to get a very good Christmas present. And what we're going to do, you won't have it in time for Christmas because we are actually going to do the drawing on a video on Christmas Day. So Christmas Day, come back to the channel, check it out. You're already subscribed, hit that notification bell. You're going to know first thing who won that and if it's you or not. So I will see you for this on Christmas Day. I hope you enjoy the video, and congratulations to whoever's going to win this because it's really cool stuff. And actually, just so you can kind of see the value of what we're giving away. I know it cost us $119 plus shipping. And I'll put this up on the screen for you. You can see the total is $126.98 worth of merchandise in here. Plus, I'm going to pay to ship it to you. So, there we go. Don't tell my wife. Shh. All right. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to see last week's video, it was a Magic at Your Door box. It was our first monthly box, and it was November. Check that out right there. And there's that subscribe button. Gotta click it if you want to win it. Hope you're having a great day.